Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the theme of qBittorrent. By default, qBittorrent has a white color theme, but we can change it to a dark or any theme. There are numerous themes available and qBittorrent's GitHub repository has a list of them. I will link it in the description and pinned comment. For this tutorial, I will be using the third theme on the list called qBittorrent Dark Theme. qBittorrent stores the theme information in a file format called qbtheme, and that's the file we need to download. Scrolling down, you will see the screenshot of iceberg theme. To see screenshots of all available themes, click other qbtheme pictures. Once you decide on the theme you want, you can either download the theme individually or download the entire folder. To download a single qbtheme file, click on it and click the download icon on the right side. If you want to download the entire themes folder, click on the latest release in Releases section. Under Assets, you will find a source code zip file. Once you extract it, you will get all the themes. Now let's see how to set the theme. After opening qBittorrent, go to Tools, Options, or use the Alt or keyboard shortcut. Select Behavior from the options and under Interface, check Use Custom UI Theme. Click the file icon and select the qbtheme file we downloaded. Click Apply and OK. Next, go to a system tray, right-click the qBittorrent icon and select Exit. Open qBittorrent again to see if the theme has changed. Please let me know your feedback in the comments and consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful videos like this.